How to mine Oduwacoin using your PC or Mac and get daily rewards. Welcome to the Oduwa blockchain YouTube channel. In this tutorial, we will tell you how you can mine Oduwacoin using your PC or Mac and get daily rewards. Step 1. First, start by visiting and scroll down to Oduwacoin and Network Access. We have 4 different software options available. Select one of them for your computer. These are Windows, Linux, Mac, or Ubuntu. Once selected, you will be taken to the GitHub page. Step 2. Proceed to download Oduwacoin mining for the type of PC you using. Once the file is downloaded, go ahead and unzip the Oduwa mining wallet to begin the installation. Allow only private connection, and a large golden circle will populate on your screen. The Qt wallet should be out of sync. Now let's close the Qt wallet for now. Step 3. Go back to the GitHub page, scroll down, and download Oduwacoin DB link for fast synchronization. Be sure to click the Extract All folder. Leave the extracted file open, we will need it in the next step. Step 4. In the computer search bar type %appdata% and click on folder. Open a Oduwacoin file and delete everything in the folder except wallet.dat file. Step 5. Drag unzipped DB file into Oduwacoin file. Once the file's moved, close the file or folder. Now start the Qt wallet again and let it synchronize. Will take approximately 10 hours to 48 hours to download current block height. You will be able to see your IP address on network right away. Now go to select network and locate your IP address to verify. Note, we recommend loading the wallet 500 OWC for a decent reward. After loading your wallet with Oduwacoin, allow an additional 8 hours staking time before becoming a node in the blockchain. Now you will start receiving rewards. Congratulations, you're done with your Oduwacoin mining setup. It's that simple. Oduwa blockchain, creating a decentralized future today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Oduwa blockchain YouTube channel.